Welcome to this mindful walking practice, designed to help you practice mindfulness when simply walking from A to B. As you begin your walk, breathe deeply inward, following the path of air as it enters your body and becoming aware of your posture. As you continue walking, breathe outward, letting the air leave through your nose and at the same time softening your posture with a focus on relaxing your shoulders, your neck and your arms. Then continue to focus your breathing into your feet as you breathe in and breathe out. Focus on the soles of your feet and how your heel and toes contact and roll on and off the surface of the ground. What do you feel as you follow the cadence of your footsteps, constantly landing and constantly lifting off the ground? Try and follow the pattern and cadence of footsteps and be aware of your foot as it makes contact firstly with your heel, then rolls forward onto the ball of your foot and finally pushes off the ground using your toes. Take note of it travelling through the air as your other foot follows behind using the same pattern. As you follow this pattern, push your awareness into the sensations against your skin. How is your foot in contact with the ground? What does your sock or shoe feel like against your skin? What's the temperature like? Can you sense any difference between how your feet make contact with the ground? If you find your mind wandering, that's okay. Just bring your focus back to your footsteps in a non-judgmental way and focus again on the pattern and cadence of your feet as you walk. Now expand your awareness into your legs and thighs. What do you feel and sense? Feel your skin as it makes contact with your clothes. How does that feel? Now focus your awareness on your hips and lower back. Relax your hips and lower back and breathe into any tension points. And as you relax, notice your hips and back and how they move and flex as you take each step. Come back to your feet, and once comfortable with the current pace, practice notice speeding up so that you walk a little faster whilst maintaining your focus and attention on your footsteps. If your mind wanders, remember to just bring it back non-judgmentally to focus on the patterns and cadence as you walk. Now, as you walk a little faster, keep your attention on your footsteps, bringing your mind's focus to the patterns and cadence of your feet as they interact with your socks, shoes, and the ground. Now drop your pace back down to its original cadence and slowly bring your focus back to your breath. And if you feel like it, continue to focus your breathing into your feet as you breathe in and breathe out. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your environment. What's going on outside? And when you're ready, fully embrace your environment and come back to a focus on the